Hey there, folks. Today I've seen a few emails going around from Shopify about mandatory action around your Google Analytics tag and Facebook metapixels, and how we now have to move them. There's basically a 30-day notice out to move these pixels into Google and YouTube Analytics and Facebook metapixels. So we just have to move them into their own sales channels. It's had this ability to do it for a while within Google and Facebook within Shopify, because if you ever go change themes or anything like that and you've got the code in the theme, then that doesn't transfer across if you publish a new theme, for example. So if you have not moved over to this yet, totally no stress. That's why they've given a 30-day notice. It's really straightforward to set up and do. I'll run you through it right now. But basically all this email is saying is if it's not set up by February 2nd, then they'll automatically attempt to convert them into custom pixels. But yeah, custom pixels are a lot more complicated. We probably won't go into them in this video. However, this is just how to set up your Google Analytics tag and Facebook metapixel inside the apps. So then you don't have to worry about it basically ever again. And yeah. So it's highly recommended to set it up through this measurement in the sales channel /apps. So then it continues to report the data correctly, basically. So I'll just jump in here. So basically all you need to do is I'll put the links down on the bottom, but there'll be 2 sales channels that you need to install onto your Shopify store. It's just like installing an app. They're free. One's the official Google app and one's the official Facebook app. Once you install it, this is just a test store of mine. Just make it larger so everyone can see. So once you install it, it'll just be here under sales channels. And then you just go here and just connect your Google account. Okay, so we'll just go through and you select the email that is associated to your Google Pixel. So wherever you log into Google, basically. And then it will come up. So right, I logged in. So I logged into my Google account, and then you connect to your merchant center. So then your merchant center should show up here because it's associated to your Google account. So then you just click connect. And then just wait, give that a couple of minutes. It's checking your site claim. So basically it's just checking the confirmation of your site to confirm that it's your site and all that sort of stuff. Perfect. And now it's just basically going through to check your online store. So just removing your online store password, it will recognize that you have a refund policy in terms of service in the footer of your navigation. That's just standard for Shopify for Google AdWords and Google practices. So everyone should already have that. I can go through how to add one in another video. Just pop a comment down in the comment section below, or reach out to me and let me know if you would like a video on this. And then confirm that you've added contact information to your store. So just have contact information somewhere. Generally, there's a contact us page on most websites. So make sure you've got that. Once it recognizes these, you will be free to hit continue. This is just a demo site, so this is just done very quickly. So I won't go through and do these, but after you've done these, just confirm your recommended store setup. So you'll just confirm information right there, agree to terms of conditions, and then click complete setup. That should be everything that you ever need to do to set up your pixel, because it's all connected to the Google Merchant Center. So yeah, so that's that. The Facebook one, I think I have to go install this. Okay, so then once you have your Facebook and Instagram app installed on the site, you simply click Get Started. Then you will connect your Facebook account. You just log into where your Facebook pixel is, basically, to whatever email and address that is. And then you'll choose your business portfolio right here. So you'll literally choose which pixel you want to use in portfolio that's connected to that. Choose a Choose one from an old website. And yeah, just share data. That's, yeah, just go enhance. I wouldn't recommend changing these. This is just, yeah, sharing data. Use proven and established methods for strong ad performance. So yeah, I'd recommend that. If you're working with a marketing agency, I'd definitely recommend just talking to them quickly. And they may even set this up for you because they will maybe want it done a particular way. However, yeah, you can just use one of these three. I would just leave it with the recommended. Save. You can also change that in the future if you ever need to. So it looks like I don't have a pixel with this portfolio. Let me actually just change portfolios. Let me see if there's another one. Try this one. Yeah, sweet. So here's a pixel. So basically, you want to make sure that the IDs are the exact same. So what you want to, like, as the one that you've already got on your website that's tracking data. So if you go into Facebook, your business portfolio, make sure that you have one that has data that's tracking. Look at the ID of that pixel and just make sure it matches this one. Everyone, I would imagine, only has one or two maybe in their portfolio. But yeah, just make sure it matches and you'll just click connect. And then you agree, and then you submit for review. I'm not going to submit for review purely because this is just a test site, and it's fairly, it's just a test website, so they're not going to get any access to anything. I will just go ahead and show you how to set up a privacy policy, just very quickly. So if you go into settings and then policies, this is where you can set up your policy. So this is your privacy policy, refund policy, terms of service policies, and shipping policies. Google mentioned, I think, it only needed privacy policy in terms of service. So what you can do is just click on this and you'll see here that an use automated policy. So Shopify actually provides a template for automated policies just as a blanket. So I'd recommend going through here, reading this information. Completely up to you if you use it, but it's a great starting point. Just it covers you for a lot of things, and then it has your information and contact us information at the bottom. So you can hit just publish. And then in terms of service, you can do the same thing. It'll come up with the same insert template. So you just had to click that insert template button. And you'll see here, it has all the information around a test website, like my test website that I've done now. And then I recommend at the bottom just inserting your trading name, your address, phone number, registration number, and VAT number you don't need here in New Zealand anyway, but feel free to put that if you have a VAT number or something like that. And yeah, just click publish. So that there is set up and ready to go now. So now, in order to put this onto your footer of your website, what you want to do is go onto the online store. We will just check navigation to make sure those privacy policies came up. It looks like they haven't. So what you want to do is you'll just go into your footer menu and we'll just add, go for a link, we'll go policies, and then you'll see privacy policy. We'll just add another one, policies, terms of service. You can see the labels have already been populated. Click save. So now this is saved under the name footer menu. Then we'll go into here. I'll just use this theme. Go to customize, and now we'll just go down to the bottom of the website into the footer. And we can see that the privacy policy in terms of service has been populated automatically there. However, for any other website, generally what you have to do is you have to go into the footer and add a menu item. And then you'll just want to add and make sure that this says footer menu. All right, and then that there will also populate under quick links. So it's already pulled them through, but yeah. And just like that. So yeah, make sure that they are attached in the footer, quite simply. All right. Yeah, you can see them here. Quick links, search, privacy policy, in terms of service. Because that's where Google will go and look for those links exactly. All right. If there's any questions or anything, you guys can totally do this. It going through the Google setup like this, it's these items. Most stores will probably already have them all checked. But yeah, no worries at all. Have a lovely rest of your day. If you have any questions or anything, pop them down in the comments section below. Otherwise, I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.